SPX 1.3 comes with an installer application for both Windows and Mac. It's very easy to install using this application. It asks for your target directory, and once I put it there, it will install it, and once done, it will also launch the application. On a Mac it will create the launcher, and on a Windows machine it will create an icon for your start menu. Light rundown mode is a new feature in 1.3, which is a floating window which you can use to play out graphics. When a single click is done to an event, it is going to preview that locally in this view. But when a play is executed, then it's going to be sent to the playout. This can be used in OBS as a custom dock for integrated graphics playout. Updated graphics. If you go to the first project and first rundown, you can see these preloaded elements in here, and if you play those out, you can see that visually they look a little bit different. This is the default graphics style. And this is the new style. And here are a couple of other styles. Automatic output size. So by default SPX has an HD resolution fixed into the renderer. So in this example graphic or test graphic, we can see that the resolution of the output is 1920 by 1080. And if I scale this window, that number is going to stay the same. But if we go into configuration and we change the sizing to this new auto option and save and restart the server, then we will see a different kind of an output. When I change the viewport size, we can see these numbers changing and these corner points are staying in the corners. One of the tickers in the default graphics package is an RSS reader. So we can Google any RSS news feeds, and we can copy the address from here and plug it into the RSS URL in the template. We can choose how many items we should read. If we choose -1, it's going to get all the items from the feed, and how fast is it going to show them, and let's add just the news as the headline here, and let's see. Autoplay is a new feature in 1.3. When you go into a rundown, and if it had items which are already in the playing state, it will automatically play those animations on screen. That helps the work of the graphics operator. It is set here in this toggle, and by default it's off. 1.3 comes with new API endpoints. You can access the API endpoint documentation from the menu. There is also Save Custom JSON endpoint now for storing your own values into a custom JSON file for persistence.